friends gone on vacation and you cannot think of what to do? Today, we will introduce to you simple life hacks that will help you deal with boredom in 2 ways and make your life brighter and more fun. An endless postcard is an endless charge of joy and positive emotions. Let's do it ourselves. You need a square sheet of paper with a 21 centimeters side. Bend the sheet in half. Bend it one more time, like this. Cut a square in the middle of the sheet. Fold the sheet into the square. Decorate the squares with stickers. Unfold the postcard. The picture changes, and the pictures seem to have no end. Look, I found a caterpillar. Do you want to hold it? It's not scary at all. To do this, you need a straw, a stick, a napkin, and a piece of green paper. Cut out a patterned leaf from a sheet of green paper. Cut off the excess of the napkin and turn it into a tube. Attach the edge with glue. Shift the edges of the napkin to each other. Remove the caterpillar from the stick. Draw the head with a marker and decorate the back with dots. Attach the head of the caterpillar to a wooden stick. Cut a piece from a plastic straw. Put a piece of the straw on the stick and attach the tail of the caterpillar to it. Glue the tube to the leaf. Move the wand. The caterpillar comes to life. It almost looks like it's real. And in this video, you'll learn how to make an attraction of the best photos and pleasant memories. You will need coffee sticks, long wooden skewers, straws, and cardboard hexagons. Using pliers, shorten the skewers to 10 centimeters. Using a hot glue gun, attach the skewers to the hexagon. Glue one more cardboard hexagon on top. Fasten coffee sticks between the skewers. The bases of the skewers are attached with pieces of sticks. Glue a triangle from 3 skewers. Make 2 such triangles. Connect them with short skewers. Cut the plastic tube by the size of the photo. Attach it to the photograph. Insert a skewer in the straw. Connect skewed hexagonal blanks. Attach photographs to the construction. Place the wheel with photos on the stand. A photo carousel for your favorite pictures and memories is ready. Do you like to watch cartoons? Create an unusual cartoon animation with your own hands. You need 4 paper squares with a side of 10 centimeters. Draw a girl with balloons using a simple pencil. Make a storyboard, changing the position of the hands and the feet of the girl in each new figure. Color the drawings. Bend the picture in half. Attach double-sided adhesive tape to the paper. Fold the second picture and connect it to the first one. Do the same with the rest of the drawings, gluing the last drawing with the first one. Insert a wooden stick in the middle of the paper construction. Quickly rotate the stick. The picture comes to life and the girl runs happily along the path. Let's show one more way of animation. Draw a flying owl in the corner of the sheet. Apply a paper strip to the picture. Draw the same bird, change only the position of the wings. Wind the strip on a pencil. Move the pencil from side to side. Sharply waving its wings, the owl begins to fly. In the same way, you can make a little man do physical exercises. Break summer boredom with a romantic atmosphere and make a funny postcard. Print 3 identical landscape pictures and a nice paper couple. Place the figures of lovers on the green lawn. Measure the distance between them. Go over the perimeter using a ruler. Cut it out. Transfer the dimensions of the rectangular hole to the back of the picture. Cut out, leaving 1 centimeter in reserve. Glue the paper handle. Use double-sided adhesive tape to glue the 2 pictures together. Paste the girl figure on the picture. Insert the moving part and attach the figure of the boy to it. The boy approaches the girl and kisses her gently on the cheek. How cute! And now, let's make an interesting postcard, a code named Cat Dog. You need a photo frame and a piece of cardboard of the specified sizes. Divide the cardboard with vertical strips 2 centimeters wide. Fold the cardboard along the lines. Choose 2 photos. Also, draw strips of 2 centimeters on the back of the photo. Assign numbers to avoid confusion. Cut along the lines. Glue the photo onto the cardboard, alternating the photo strips with empty faces. Glue parts of the second photograph on the empty spaces. Attach 2 strips of double-sided Scotch tape to the frame. Put the cardboard with the photos in the frame. What a handsome cat! Or is it a dog? Depends on what angle you're seeing it from. Let's make the optical illusion of the thaumatrope with our own hands. You need 2 paper circles and a cardboard one of the same size. On one paper circle, draw a bird. On the second, a cage. Apply acrylic glue on the cardboard circle. Glue the cardboard circle with pictures, placing them upside down to each other. Make 4 holes with an awl. Pass the thread through the holes like this. Twist threads with your fingers. With rapid rotation of the cardboard disc, our eye perceives 2 images at once. The pictures merge into one, and it seems that the bird is in the cage and the fish is in the aquarium. Very interesting and unusual. Still bored? Let's make a DIY mini golf course. You will need a cover from the shoebox and a piece of fleece. Cut off the fleece in the width of the box. Cut the plastic cone from a syringe. This will be a hole. Circle it on fleece. Cut out the hole for the ball. Pour sand in the box and cover the course with a golf cloth. Draw stripes on a toothpick. Paste a red flag to it. Make a golf club from a toothpick and a drop of hot glue. Decorate the course with pebbles. Put the ball on the course and start the game. Try to get into the hole with 1 blow. Anti-stresses are never too much. In this life hack, we will tell you how to make a soothing toy transformer made of paper. Using a ruler and a pencil, draw this picture on a sheet of paper. Color the rows of ROMs in different colors. Cut it out. Bend the sheet so that the fold line passes through the center of the ROMs. Beginning with the lower edge, bend the sheet along the lines of the ROMs. Do the same on the other side. Glue the unpainted parts of the sheet with the lower row of ROMs. Connect the edges of the figure and attach them with a universal glue. It turned out a bright toy transformer. Very interesting! And now let's decorate the table with a table-sized mini aquarium with fish. You need a jar with a screwed plastic lid. Attach a bunch of artificial seaweed to the center of the lid. Glue a sprig of coral and some small seashells to the cover. The bottom of the lid is filled with blue hot glue. Glue the fish from Foameran according to the template. Attach the fish to the seaweed with a hot glue gun. Pour multicolored glitter into the bottom of the jar. Pour water into the jar with glitter. Twist the lid with the underwater world and put the jar upside down on the table. How beautifully the glitters are dancing! What lovely eyes! How about making a funny finger theater? Knead a piece of Play-Doh in your hand. Divide it into 2 balls. Paste running eyes on them. Decorate the eyes with eyelashes. Fasten the eyes on the ring. Put the ring on your finger. Complete the look with Play-Doh lips or a mustache. Funny finger eyes will cheer you and others up. Sports is life. Let's make a basketball ring from the supplies at hand. You need a hanger made of wire. Bend the wire into a circle. Glue the wire frame with colored tape. Now you need a rope. Tie the pieces of rope at equal distances. Pleat the mesh, tying them together. Glue a balloon and cover with Scotch tape. Hang the ring by the hook and let the strongest win. Soap bubbles are always a sea of positive emotions. Let's literally DIY them. You need soap and a little water. Moisten a piece of soap with water and then soap your hand. Make a ring from the thumb and forefinger. A thin soap film forms between them. Accurately blow out a huge rainbow bubble. Unusual and very interesting. Give this video a like if it made you smile. Write in the comments which of the life hacks for fighting boredom you like the most. A photo carousel, a caterpillar on a leaf, or the idea of a desktop aquarium. Subscribe to Troom Select and click on the bell to watch our new videos first.